Hey guys, you are watching Random Start LD, so let's get started. Here I will unbox XAOMI YEELIGHT. That's backside. YEELIGHT branding. Unboxing. It's come with the polythene covered with YEELIGHT and a Chinese manual. It has a E27 bulb connector. And hard plastic at the upper portion. It is not matter, it is how. Let's take out the manual, which is written in Chinese. It's the startup guide. So none of my business. Premium quality in just 1200 to 1300 INR. Perfect matte finish. Hard plastic adapter. Premium looking. If you are very passionate about your home decor, you should buy this. Now set up. Download Mi Home from Play Store. It will automatically choose your Wi-Fi, then it will connect to your YEELIGHT through the app. You just wanna click at YEELIGHT. You can choose any colors. Flow red. You can choose any color situated in this million of colors file. This app consists of million of colors. You can choose any randomly. Okay, blue, pink, any color. You can customize your color. You can power off, switch on, everything. It is a type of smart LED. It has flow of colors. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.